All right, fitness enthusiasts. Today, I'm diving into the ultimate question. How many pull-ups a day do you need to build muscle? Pull-ups are a fantastic compound exercise, working your back, shoulders, arms, and core all at once. Let's break it down step by step so you can maximize your gains. First off, you need to assess where you are right now. If you're just starting out and can only do a few pull-ups, don't worry. Start with what you can manage. Aim for 5 sets of your max reps 3 times a week. Focus on perfect form, full range of motion, controlled movements, and no jerking. Quality over quantity is key here. Now, if you're more advanced and can bang out 10 or more pull-ups, you'll need to up the ante. Try increasing your total volume. Aim for 50 to 100 pull-ups throughout the day. You can break them down into smaller sets and spread them out. For example, do 5 sets of 10 reps in the morning, afternoon, and evening. This method is called greasing the groove, and it's super effective for muscle endurance and strength. Consistency is crucial. Whether you're a beginner or advanced, stick with your routine for at least 4 to 6 weeks. Your muscles need time to adapt and grow. But remember, your body also needs rest to recover, so make sure to incorporate rest days into your regimen. Let's talk progression. As you get stronger, start adding variations to challenge your muscles differently. Try wide grip pull-ups, chin-ups, or even weighted pull-ups. This not only prevents plateau but also targets different muscle groups, giving you a well-rounded upper body workout. And don't forget your nutrition. Building muscle isn't just about the workout, it's about feeding those muscles right. Aim for a balanced diet rich in protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs. Stay hydrated and get plenty of sleep. Your body builds muscle when you're resting, not when you're working out. Finally, track your progress. Keep a workout journal or use a fitness app to log your reps, sets, and variations. This will help you see your progress and keep you motivated. Plus, you can make adjustments to your routine as needed. So, to wrap it up, how many pull-ups a day to build muscle? Start with your current level, aim for consistency, and progressively challenge yourself. Combine this with proper nutrition and rest and you'll be on your way to a stronger, more muscular you. Alright, I hope you're pumped and ready to hit the pull-up bar. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more fitness tips. Let's keep crushing those goals. See you next time.